Looking for the best slacklines? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 slacklines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Zen Monkey Slackline Kit. Comes with a main line and ratchet, tree protectors, setup instructions, and a carrying bag. Simple to set up. Good, quality materials at an affordable price. Instructions were easy to understand. Easy to transport. A top quality kit built with high-end materials that will last years. Some items, like a training line, have to be purchased separately. At number 2, Zen Maestro Slacklines Kit. Kit includes main and training line, ratchet protector, arm trainer, tree protectors, instructions, and a bag to carry these in. Can be used by professionals and beginners. Easy setup. Built with durable materials. An affordable kit that includes everything a beginner needs to get started. Instructions were unclear for some. Line is very long. At number 1, Zero Gravity Slacklines Slackline Kit. With a 52-foot line, a carrying case, tree protectors, help line, ratchet cover, and a few other accessories, it's hard to find a better buy than this set. Users love how easy it is to set up and how efficient and sturdy the ratchet is. The ratchet cover helps to reduce the chances of injury. If you're looking for an inexpensive option that has everything you need and then some, this is a great pick. Packaging can sometimes be an issue with this seller. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.